guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lizelle. So for today's video, we are going to take you guys along with us as we are doing a quick thrift shopping at
Goodwill.
So I hope you like today's video, and if you do, please don't forget to give us like, comment and subscribe if you haven't done that yet, because that will greatly help my channel grow. So without further ado, let's go shopping.
Yay!
Alright you guys, we are here at Goodwill. It's one of my favorite places to go thrift shopping, and I want to be real with you, the pieces I'm about to show you didn't all come from one trip, and they're actually from 3 different visits to the same Goodwill. And I am so excited because I found some really good stuff, and I want to show you all of my favorites and how I style them. So the very first section I always go to without fail is the framed art. I don't even think about it. I walk in and go straight there. I just love, because you truly never know what you're gonna find. Right away, a few frames caught my eye, like this one right here. It has such a timeless design. It is missing the back cover though, but that doesn't bother me at all. That's such an easy fix. I actually popped in a photo of my family here and added it to my gallery wall. I also found this tapestry style piece with a mandala pattern in these warm brown tones, and it is giving me such a full boho vibes, and I love it. It even looks like one of those mud cloth inspired pieces. So pretty. And then this one, okay, I had to grab it too. It looked like a vintage paint by numbers from maybe the 70s. And the background is dark, so the florals really pop. Plus the frame, that gold ornate detail, obsessed you guys. So I feel like these pieces together would look amazing on my bedroom wall, as you can see. Next thing that caught my eye is this clear glass hammered candle holder. And I know I've seen something like this in Walmart for about 30 bucks, and this one is only 6 bucks, and I think it's such a steal because it still looks brand new. I love the woven base, and I know you can use this indoor or outdoor. And as you can see, I style it on my shelf, and it just feels a little safer having that glass surrounding the candle, especially with pets or little hands around. It gives off that cozy high-end look. Of course, I never skip the breakable section. This is where you'll find all the clear vases, plates, and glassware, and there are always so many good options. If you're ever looking for simple, pretty pieces, this is definitely the spot to check. And this textured plate really caught my eye. It looks handmade with such a beautiful pattern and color, and I instantly thought it would be perfect for displaying lemons in my kitchen. You know, just one of the simple pieces that makes everything feel a little more styled. And you guys should know that I can't leave without checking out the seasonal decor, especially the fall florals and wreath. And I actually scored a wreath and already have it hanging on my door, and I love how it turned out. For such a low price, it made such a big impact. I also found this bag filled with faux greenery and flowers, and what really sold me were the magnolia stems. I love real plants, but let's be honest, some areas of my home just don't get enough light, and this looks so beautiful styled in my large terracotta vase. Then I came across this expandable bathtub caddy, and I could not pass this one up, you guys. I love that it adjusts to fit across the tub, and it has space for everything. Like, you know, I could put candles here, a book, maybe even a little drink. It just makes my bath time feel way more luxurious. I also picked up this beautiful ceramic vase with 2 handles. It has this red texture and a speckled glaze that I just love. It looks amazing with fresh flowers, but it would also be perfect for faux stems. And I love styling this on top of my piano. It just looks beautiful mixed with other things I have. Now this mirror was a little pricey for Goodwill, but I just couldn't pass it up. It's heavy and well made, and I just felt worth it. So I hang it where it reflects my gallery wall, and I love it, you guys. It makes the space feel warmer and kind of double the whole vibe. Since moving into our new home, I've been constantly on the hunt for plant pots because I'm always planting something, and I found this large one for my hibiscus, perfect size but not the right color. So I painted it, and now it matches the front porch beautifully. Now let's check their furniture section, and I found this folding table, which is funny because I literally saw the same one at TJ Maxx for 25 bucks and this one was 10. So yeah, I guess I got a 10%, 50% off discount, but this one still looked brand new, so it came home with me and I'm using it as a little side table for my patio. So I've also been in the hunt for a lamp, and you know how that goes. Sometimes the base is great, but the shade is not it. But this time I got lucky. This one has that vintage wrought iron look with its twisted detail. It almost looked like a bird cage, and the base has a tripod style, which gives it such a rustic feel. So I think it looks so nice in my entryway. Okay, how pretty is this plate? The black and gold floral design is so gorgeous, and it honestly looks way more expensive than what I paid. And you could use this, to put your fruit on your table. I tried to do that and it looked really cute, but the more I looked at it, the more I felt like it deserved to be displayed. So I put it in a plate stand, and now it doubles as decor, and I love it even more. So I'm obsessed with this next find. This accent table is so beautiful. I love that sculptural metal base that looks like little branches or twigs, and it has that antique bronze finish, and it just feels so high-end. I styled it next to an accent chair in my bedroom, and it really pulled the whole cozy, neutral look together. Just a quick plant tip, you guys. If you're tired of those flimsy water trays, just use clear plates, and I always source them here in Goodwill. They're cheaper, sturdier, and last forever unless you break them. So I use them for all of my indoor plants since I usually water them inside, and they catch all that excess water without ruining my floors. I also found this classic wooden bar stool with turned spindle legs, and I love that warm oak finish. It has so much character, but instead of using it as a seat, I turned it into a plant stand. It's a perfect height and adds so much warmth to the room. And last but definitely not the least, I picked up this cute little fall floral arrangement in a wooden crate. It has this eucalyptus and this rustic wood flower, and I styled it on a shelf just to add a little greenery and texture. Alright, you guys, that's everything for my Goodwill finds today. If you enjoy coming thrifting with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which piece was your favorite, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!